The Indian Railways now has issued an official statement and they counter Mamata Banerjee. In fact, the statement reads, details of which will be up on your screen any moment. It says relief and rescue measures were immediately initiated by the railways. The injured were rushed by the RPF and other railway authorities to hospitals. It also goes on to say that law and order is a state subject and the state police is fully responsible for this. So the Indian Railways goes on to condemn the incident, and it does again reiterate that all kind of allegations are unfounded because relief and rescue measures were rushed and immediately. Also, a lot more was done by the railways is what the statement reads. We'll get in our colleague Madhurima, I'm told, who's with us on that story. But Madhurima, you're hearing this counter that has come in from the railways, then why should actually Mamata Banerjee be wanting to politicize the entire issue?
Well, Deepthi, absolutely. When we talk about Mamata Banerjee, she has been looking for some opportunity or other to, put some sort of blame on to the center. And now after yesterday's incident, she's got that opportunity, and where she took it and blamed the entire responsibility on the railway. She said that the lacuna was on the side of the railways. However, the railways has come forward and said that any sort of mishappening or to maintain the law and order situation is not railways' prerogative. However, it is prerogative of the local administration, the local police, and they were supposed to take care of the minister who was traveling. In fact, it has also come to light that when the minister had come, he had enough security with him. However, the incident has been condemned by the railways, but then they have made it abundantly clear that the state subject and state police should take the full responsibility for it and not the railways, Deepthi.
Okay. All right, Madhurima, I request you to hold that phone line as we quickly make way to listen to the first reactions that have come in from the TMC and the BJP on the same.
हमने जो सुना इन लोग से, जो जाकिर साहब उनके सपोर्टर के साथ आ रहे थे, हम वीडियो भी देखा, आ रहे थे, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन कुछ आगे से रखा हुआ था स्टेशन में, जैसा वो लोग पास कर रहे थे उसको ब्लास्ट कर दिया गया। उसमें हमारा करीब 26 साथी जाकिर साहब को लेके इंजर्ड हो गए। 14 के आशंकाजनक अवस्था में, 10 यहाँ पर है, 4 को हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट शिफ्टिंग कर रहे हैं और 6 वहाँ पर है और 6 को छोड़ दिया गया प्राथमिक चिकित्सा के बाद। अब इसके पीछे क्या है, ये पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन। अभी हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा जो CID, STF और CIF मिलकर ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगा और मैं आशा करता हूँ जो रेल इसका पूरा हेल्प करे। कौन ये रेल के स्टेशन में इसको बम को पहले से रखा और कैसे ये ब्लास्ट हुआ, उस समय क्यों रेलवे स्टेशन में लाइट भी नहीं था, ये हम आशा करते हैं रेल करेगी।
এই যে হিংসার প্লাবন এর দ্বারা নির্বাচনকে প্রভাবিত করার চেষ্টা করা হচ্ছে, আমরা এর ঘোর নিন্দা করছি এবং এই ধরনের সমস্ত আক্রমণের সিবিআই তদন্ত করছি। এই সরকারের যদি হিম্মত থাকে সিবিআই তদন্ত করুক, তাহলে সত্য এর পিছনে কি আছে জানা যাবে। আমরাও সত্য জানতে চাই, কেন রাজনৈতিক কর্মীদের উপরে বারবার আক্রমণ হচ্ছে।